guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amofa.o, and today I am going to be creating this creative art painting look thing going on my face. I was invited to a group by my dear friend Shelly, another YouTuber that I met over the Christmas holidays, and they have different challenges where they will just take pictures or something and recreate the looks on their faces. So for February, the challenge was called Pimp My Heart, and Pimp My Heart, I thought of Pimp My Ride, but I thought of this, and if you want to see how I created this look, do stay tuned. And please guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and give me a comment in the comment section. I love to converse with people down below. So without further ado, let's get into this look. Mind you, I had no idea what I was doing when I started, so there's gonna be a lot of
well, maybe should I, could I, would I?
I just want to apologize ahead of time if you're hearing my husband in the background or my kids in the background discussing animals or colors, because today everybody's at home and I need to get this look done. So like I said, it's Pimp My Heart, and I thought long and hard. I'm like, what can I do to pimp my heart? I was thinking of Pimp My Ride, MTV. I was like, hearts, cupids. So I think I have something in mind, but let's see where it leads to. So first of all, I want to start off by doing my brows, and this is unusual for me. I usually do my foundation, but because we're gonna play with a lot of paint and stuff, I'm just gonna start my brows off first and work around it. Okay, so my brows are done, and so I think I'm gonna do a heart here, another heart here, and a bunch of hearts up here. Yeah, I'm gonna do the heart first, color that in, then go around it with foundation. This is going to be the one that's not so happy. This is going to be the one that's extremely happy with love. So taking my Snazzaroo, I'm going to activate it by dipping my paintbrush into water and applying it directly onto the paint, which is dry, and begin painting. When you activate it with water, it does come on like this and it dries. And the thing is, don't put too much water if not, it's going to be so sheer. So seeing as this heart is the one that's not so happy with love, I am going to dip another paintbrush into my black Snazzaroo. I just want to see what I think I can do. And I'm going to paint this side black. Indicating a heart that wants to love, but it's trying to take away all the darkness within. Brownie clown white. I'm just gonna create like a fake cloud or like a sky-like effect on my forehead. Just using my finger to blend it in so that it's dry. Taking a pointed paintbrush, I'm gonna just draw some hearts on my forehead using the Snazzaroo red paint. I hope it doesn't change to pink. Now going into my Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, I'm going to take the color called Wigglies, and I'm going to pat that all over this eyelid. Then I'm going to take edges, which is this light brown color, and buff out the edges of this wigglies. So on this I am going to put a pink base from the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to mix 2 glitters. This is red and this is pink, and I'm going to apply it all over the eyelid. Okay, so I've done that. Remember guys, this is all about creativity, and I've put the glitter on this lid. I think I'll still create a wing later, but right now I'm going to go into foundation, and from foundation today I'm using the Juvia's Place Liquid Foundation Tanzania. Now I'm going to create a wing using my ColourPop gel liner, and it's like a purple reddish color, but the name is Joyride. Now for this heart, we need to bedazzle. So first things first, I guess I should just color it in red. Some glitter and put around here on the heart, using the same glitter combination as on my eyelid. I think I should put an arrow through my heart, so I'm going to go with my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00, and I'm going to go in with the same pointed paint brush. I think if I use this as a base and go over with the Clown White, it will show more. So now that I've used the concealer as a base, I'm going to go into the Clown White again using this same brush and just see if it will give it more pigmentation. That method worked, using the concealer first and going over it with my Clown White. I don't know, I feel like this forehead is out. It shouldn't have been there, but the damage has been done. Maybe I should put some glitter on it. So going back into the same glitter combination that I used, I'm just going to bedazzle some of these hearts. In addition to that, I have some rhinestones that I think I'm just going to stick randomly around these hearts. Maybe more around the heart that's bedazzled or that has been pimped. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. This is for the Valentine's Day season, and like I said, this wasn't done in collaboration with a lot of other YouTube content creators. I'm going to link all their channels down below in the description box, and I hope you do check them out, give them support like you are giving me support. And it was Shelly that introduced me to these group of wonderful ladies that I am doing this challenge with. So here is the finished look, guys. Pimp my heart. So I'm gonna list all their names. Ariel of Always Ariel, Brianna of Purple, Pink and Red, actually it's Purple, Pink, Red, one name. Candace of Candace Hampton, Rachel of Ray Young, Shelly, my personal person, Tara Beauty 36, her name is Tara, Tiffany of TJ Marks BB. So like I said, I'm going to leave all their channels in the description box so that you can check it out and see how they did. The theme was Pimp My Heart, so this is a heart that is trying to love, trying desperately to love, trying to take away all the black from his heart, and then all of a sudden it becomes like this, complete red with an arrow inside, meaning that Cupid has struck this heart, so this person is totally in love. So wishing everybody a happy Valentine's Day. Let me know what you're going to do in the comment section. Do you think Valentine's Day is overrated? Are you those type of people that wear red and red and red and red on Valentine's Day? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.